Hey everyone, it's Adam here. So we got the T40 out in the little tiny socket here because I have loose spokes. And if you're on a 2018 GSA, please check your spokes. It can get bad really fast. I have 5 loose ones, and even though I bought the bike with 350 miles on it, I had the dealer check the spokes. It's a demo model. Check the spokes before they delivered it to me. They supposedly checked them. I didn't call them yet to verify, but I told them specifically to check them. And now with 500 miles, I have 5 loose spokes. Now, who knows? That could be something that I don't have to deal with ever again. But we're going to go out and check these ourselves. Okay, so the rear wheel now. So I know which ones are loose already, but you're going to take this. You listen to the sounds, basically. There's one there. See the movement there, the play. You can hear the difference. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 5.5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Are both those bad? Yeah, look at that. That's 10. 11. Sorry, this one was bad too. 12. 13. 14. That's 14 on the rear that are loose. Alright, let's check the front then. Jesus Christ. Dude, that sucks. Kind of. That's 1, 2. 3. Alright, so 3 on the front, like was it 14 on the rear? I don't even want to tighten these up. So to tighten all these up, by the way, you have to, because you've got them on both sides, you have to remove, I think these are T50s. There's 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, 5 T50s. You remove the rear wheel, and then you tighten them up that way. So I don't know how I want to handle this. Do I want to take this to someone locally to have them tighten them up? That's a lot of loose spokes. Okay, well, I don't know if this audio is going to come out okay, but we are in Northampton, New Hampshire, and it's just a quick clip actually because I went outside to record. Sorry for the wind noise, but my glasses are fogging up. I went outside to record straightening up my spokes or checking your spokes. It's a good thing to do, especially during the initial time that you had the bike, and then after any like major riding, and especially before any trip. Basically, once a month check your spokes, and I did that, and I noticed, as you guys remember from the video, like 15 tings or thuds, from the spokes. So called BMW, and I said I don't want to straighten these. I think I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone straightening these up. And they said yeah, don't touch them. In fact, don't even ride the bike to us. We'll come and get it. And they came and got it, and basically what they told me is if you have, especially on a bike that's new, anything over six loose spokes, it's a warranty replacement. I think he said maybe 7, anything over 7. And I had like 15. He said actually it was more than 15, but 15 to me were like really loose. And so he straightened them up for me, tried to straighten them up, and said no, it's not going to happen. It's a warranty replacement. I was right. There was like a lot of spokes loose, so they replaced the wheel under warranty. What they do is they just give you a brand new assembled wheel from the factory. So it's all laced and true from the factory with the hub, and that goes right onto my final drive, which already had the brake rotor attached. Basically, it's a whole new. The wheel itself was $1,500. It's the whole assembly. It's like $3,000 of warranty claim. So that's good, I guess. I told him I'll be checking it, a lot more often now. He said, yeah, I would if I were you, but the new ones that are coming out of the factory right now are fine. And so I leave you guys with this, which is if you're riding a 2018 GS, check your spokes immediately. Pause the video and check your spokes. Take a wrench to them, tap them lightly, hear for the ting, ting, ting. And if you hear thud, 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 a dozen times, don't ride the bike. Go get it to your BMW dealer, take the rear wheel off, take it to them, and get that wheel replaced, because it's extremely dangerous. So I'm going to leave you with that. I was going to do a video on how to tighten the spokes. I decided not to do it myself, and since I'm not an expert, it's probably for the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Back on the bike after a few days of it being back in the shop, but it's fine, it's all good now. Still have some good riding left in us, even though it's like 45 degrees and raining.